Hello everyone, welcome back once again for the power system analysis one session. In this session we are going to discuss about the effect of neutral in the system. So for that let us consider a three-phase star connector system like this, having a lines A, B, C, and a provision is given for the neutral wire with the help of switch S. Okay, so there are two possible cases here we are going to see for the particular system. Okay, so one is when a switch S is closed, that is in the presence of the neutral wire, it will form a four wire system. Okay, so when switch S gets closed, so the given system will be of four wire system. So that is it will have a line A, B, C along with the neutral wire. So we are going to have four wire system. So when another case is when switch S is opened, so we are going to have three wire system. So the neutral will be get eliminated in that case when switch S is open. So let us study each cases one by one. So we'll start with case 1 for the four wire system. So for the four wire system, now we are having a node N over here, right? So let us apply the KCL at this particular node. So according to that, now check out for the direction of flow of current for all the lines and neutral. So for all the lines, for line A, line B and line C, each of the line currents are flowing inside or flowing towards the junction. So the neutral current is getting or going away from this junction, and whereas the line currents IA, IB and IC are going inside the junction. So if the particular current gets inside this junction, what kind of sign we are going to use? Yeah, positive. If it is going away from the junction, we are going to assume it as a negative. So according to that, so what we are going to get equation IA plus IB plus IC and minus IN, because it is getting away from the junction. So minus IN is equal to 0. So if we simplify it, so we are going to get the neutral current is equal to what? It is sum of all the line current, sum of IA, IB and IC. But as we know, the line currents with respect to the sequence component, these are the equations we utilized previously, is it so? So the line current IA, IB and IC with respect to the sequence components are these equations. So in this equation from the previous equation, so it is line current, sorry, neutral current is equal to what? It is sum of all the line currents IA, IB and IC. So instead of writing these IA, IB, IC, we are going to represent in terms of respective sequence components current. Okay, so after that let us substitute each values in this particular equation. So after simplifying it, we are going to guess this equation. So 3 times of IA naught plus IA1 bracket inside bracket 1 plus a square plus IA2, let us take IA2 as common. Once again we are going to get 1 plus a square. So that is nothing but as we know, 1 plus a square is nothing but it is equal to 0. Now substitute 0 value for these particular terms. So if you simplify it further, we are going to get a neutral current is equal to what? 0 times of the 0 sequence component current. Okay, so neutral current is equal to what? 3 times of the 0 sequence component current. Yeah, from this equation what we understood is that both negative and positive sequence currents do not flow in the neutral current. Okay, so from this equation what we are going to know is that both a positive and a negative sequence currents will not flow through the neutral wire, and whereas a neutral current is equal to what, 3 times the zero sequence current in the 4 wire system, and the neutral current is equal to what, 3 times the zero sequence current in the 4 wire system. In second case, we are going to open this neutral switch. So if the neutral switch gets opened, so that kind of system is called as what, 3 wire system. So in this case, the neutral wire will is made up is the neutral wire does not carry any current, so due to that reason the neutral current will be equal to 0. So in previous equation, if I substitute neutral current as equal to 0, so we are going to get zero sequence current will also be equal to what, 0, which means zero sequence current is absent in 3 wire system. Now let us solve a simple problem on this effect of neutral on a system. Okay, so the problem statement is like this. In a three-phase system supplying a power to a star connected load, the line currents when the neutral of supply is not connected to the neutral of the load are, so which means when the neutral is absent during that period, so these are the line currents are given. Ia is equal to 20 at an angle 0 degree and Ib is equal to 20 at an angle minus 100 degree ampere. This is when neutral is not connected. Okay, now suppose when the neutral is connected, the current through the neutral wire will be this much. Okay, so this is when this neutral switch gets closed. So during that period, the current will start to flow through this neutral wire, and it is found to be how much, 12 at an angle minus 30 degree ampere. So by knowing these two conditions, we need to determine the line currents for the both the conditions. Okay, now let us consider first condition, that is when neutral is open. Okay, so let us consider a case 1 when neutral is open, so which means it is a 3 wire system. Okay, so for 3 wire system, as we derived previously, so for 3 wire system, the zero sequence component is equal to what, 0. So the zero sequence component we are going to assume it is equal to 0, and from each phase, each line, we are need to find out the respective current in terms of the sequence components. So according to that, Ia will be equal to what, Ia1, Ia2, and as we know, the zero sequence component is equal to what, 0. So we are not going to consider any zero sequence component value over here. So Ia will be equal to what, Ia1 plus Ia2, which is nothing but it is already given over here. So I line current I is equal to what, 20 at an angle 0 degree. Similarly, Ib is equal to what, so this is the equation we are going to get, plus Ia naught will be there in our original form of the equation. So Ia naught will be equal to what, 0. So from the given statement, Ib is how much when neutral is not connected, so Ib is equal to 20 at an angle minus 100 degree ampere, so is equal to 100 degree ampere. So as we know, the sum of all these currents will be equal to 0, right? So Ia plus Ib plus Ic is equal to 0. So from that, Ic will be equal to what, it is equal to minus of Ia plus Ib. Okay, so if you add these two values, Ia and Ib, we are going to get Ic value as this much. Okay, after that, now let us find the line currents when neutral is connected. Okay, so due to that, the current is given when the neutral switch is closed. So now current will start to flow through this neutral, so that current value is given in the problem statement. So that value is 12 at an angle minus 30 degree. Okay, so therefore, as we know, In is equal to what, In is equal to 3 times of zero sequence components current, so that we derived previously in our derivation. Is it so? When the given system is 4-wire system, so that time the neutral current will be equal to what? 3 times of zero sequence components current. So that's what we found out, right? So according to that, so by using this equation, so we are going to find out this zero sequence components current value now. Okay, now substitute In is equal to this and reduce this equation to get Ia naught is equal to 4 at an angle minus 30 degree. Okay, after that let us assume uh, Ia dash, Ib dash and Ic dash are the new values of the line current. So for these new values of line current, so we need to find out these new values of line currents in terms of sequence components. So likewise these are the equations which we know, right? So to find out each line currents, these are the equations we used to have. So to find out Ia dash, which is equal to Ia naught plus Ia1 plus Ia2. So as we already calculated the value of Ia1 plus Ia2, right? So that was how much? 20 at an angle 0 degree. So instead of directly we are going to substitute in case of Ia1 plus Ia2 as 20 at an angle 0 degree, and Ia naught is equal to what? How much? 4 at an angle minus 30 degree. So if you simplify it, we are going to get the new line current value as this much. Similarly, Ib dash is equal to, this is the equation we are going to use to find out Ib dash. Is it so? And previously we obtained the Ib dash, this term value as 20 at an angle minus 100 degrees. So we are going to substitute directly over here in place of this entire term as 20 at an angle minus 100 degree, and I naught we are going to directly utilize over here to find out this Ib dash value. Similarly, Ic dash can be found out by using this equation. So these are the new values of line currents when a neutral is connected to the system. Hope everything is clear. If you're having any doubt regarding any derivation or problem, please feel free to ask. Thank you.